Bored to be in your city? Don't think twice. Come to the most beautiful city of Colombia. Cartagena is one of the most important tourist destinations in Colombia and Latin America. Come and enjoy its natural attractions and rich history that see its variety of architectural styles. No historical sites such as the Castle of San Felipe, the Palace of the Inquisition, the Clock Tower, the walls, the colonial streets, etc. It enjoys a very pleasant climate with little rain. In Colombia, come and enjoy our city, Cartagena.